Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your Taotronics SoundLiberty 53. Okay, so as you can see in my case they appear on the list. When I tap on them once, after a few moments I will have the request right here at the bottom of the screen that they cannot communicate with my phone. And I would like to show you how you can fix this problem. So just wait until this notification pops on the screen. As you can see, there it is. And at the first, I can recommend you to go back from the pairing list and simply power off Bluetooth on your phone. Next, you have to be sure that they are inside and they are sticking right here to the pins. Just like that. And when they are right here inside, they will start blinking like that, blue and white. It means that right now they are in the pairing mode and they are visible. If it is not working for you, you can just take them out of the case. And the pairing mode will be also activated by using this method. Next, turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Go for the pair new device option. And right now try to select them from the list and accept the pairing request. As you can see in my case, this method is working. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.